The Insert tab contains a wide range of functions. More or less, if you want to put something into your document, chances are you'll find it in this tab. Often these options will bring up their own special tabs, like the Table tab, the Header and Footer tab, or the Picture Formatting tab. Header, footer, and page numbers are good options if you want to put text on every single page of your document. For example, page numbers will put the page number on every page of your document. A header will put text at the top of every page of your document, and a footer will put text at the bottom of every page of your document. To use headers and footers, you can go to the Insert tab and select the header or footer option. It will give you a choice as to where you want your header to be, and sometimes some styles for them as well. You choose what works for you. You can also bring up headers and footers by double-clicking in the top or bottom of your page. You can then type your text here as you want, and you can use the font and paragraph options to edit and format your text that you are typing in. Sometimes you will be tasked with inserting symbols and special characters. These are things like the copyright symbol. To insert a symbol, click on the Insert tab. Then find the symbol option. It will open a drop down. There will be equation or symbol. You should select symbol. If your symbol is not in the suggested ones, you can click on more symbols. Depending on the font you are using, you will have a range of symbols to choose from. If you don't know the code or where your symbol is and you can't find it, it always helps to Google font, symbol, and code. For example, if you're looking for a tick, the code for that would be Windings 252. But you would not know that unless you spent all your time searching for it or asked the internet.